Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make a gift card holder out of cardstock. Just less than one sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock or even a pad paper, and you can create this cute gift card holder. I got the SVG file from Etsy. I put the link in my description box. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click Upload, click Upload Image, and click Browse. And then I'm gonna open this folder. Now we can see different folders, and each folder has different formats of our file. We just need to open the SVG folder. Now we have two SVG files here. We just need this one that has First Gift Box for Scoring Tools.svg written on it. Then here, click Upload. Then click the image that we just uploaded. Click Add to Canvas. The first thing that we're going to do here is to change the height to 8.72 and the width to 7.54. And then click Ungroup. And then click the lines. And now as we can see, they're all highlighted here. We're going to change the operation from basic cut to score. Now as we can see here, it changed from solid lines to broken lines. And that means that the machine is going to need a scoring tool to do the operation. We have to attach the broken lines to the piece. So we're going to select all and then click Attach. And then click Make It. And then here, I'm just going to leave the material size to 12 by 12 inches because that's what I'm going to use. And then we can continue. I'm going to click Medium Cardstock. And here, as we can see, it's telling us that we need to load a scoring stylus in clamp A. Since I'm using an Explore Air 2, I'm going to show you how to insert a scoring stylus on Cricut Explore Air 2. Open clamp A and then insert the scoring stylus with the arrow pointing down and facing you. And then you can close the clamp. Now I'm just showing you the scored lines that will help us fold this piece easily. Now we need to pre-fold that scoring lines. And we can fold this side like so. And we can put a hot glue on each side. And there we have it! A cute and fabulous gift card. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!